So bored. Hey guys, what you doing? Blinking, breathing. You bored too, huh? You can say that again. What do you want to do? We could always read a book. We could, the playground. Yeah, what she said. But which one? That's the thing. The whole entire point of this entire video. Pick your path. Do you want to go to the playground with us? Or maybe read some books? Warriors, Twilight, The Chronicles of the Ancient Darkness, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Great books waiting for us. But at the playground, there's so many great things, like swings and slides and roundabouts. Get out my shot. And then, well, that's about it. Pick now. Reading. Playground. Oh, and if you bother watching it to the end, you can click Secret Annotation 3. Randomness.